So guys, this is the Litemons Led6R Rgb video light. It's an RGB LED and I'm going to be unboxing this right now. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, this is the Litemons Led6R Rgb video light. It's an RGB LED and I'm going to be unboxing this right now. So let's jump right into the video. So you can see how it looks like here. I like this logo. It looks like like a cat ear and stuff. Okay, so this is here, Godox photo equipment, and it looks, we have HSI mode, 13fx mode, magnetic absorption using combination. The product name is RGB LED video light model LED6R. Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead to unbox this. You can see that it is tightly sealed, so we can as well just cut through this. Okay, and then we go ahead to open it. Voila, guys. Oh, this is so nice. So it says what is in the box. So we have one light body, one diffuser, one type C USB cable, and instruction manuals. Okay, and this is it here. This is the box, as you can see. It's like a protection nylon, and then we have our light, guys. Wow, this is so portable and so cute. Okay, so yep, we can open it. So this is our diffuser light. This is the LED light. Okay, and we can see FX, MVV, on, off, charging port, the input, and yeah, the information. And then here is like the stand where we can screw it on a stand. And yeah, so let's check what else is in the box. Okay, so this is just like the packaging, and then we have our cables for charging. And then we have silicone gel, and lastly our manual, guys. This is our manual. Okay, Litemons, I hope I'm pronouncing this well. So it's both in Chinese and English. Yep. It has all the information we need: the operation, the battery, the technical data, the maintenance to mention. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead to keep our cable on one side. This is our diffuser. I'm going to keep it one side, and then let's now pay attention to this and let's see our parts. Okay, this is the first part, which is the light bead. Okay, and then the second part is here, which is our diffuser, and the third part is shoe mounting, which is here. This is our shoe mounting area. Okay, so let's go ahead to go to the back and let's see what we have here. So we have our charging port, the type C charging port, and then we have our cold shoe slot, which is here, and then we have our cold shoe slot base, which is also here. Okay, and then we have our power switch, which is here, on, okay, and off. I've not charged it yet, but look at this. This is on, off. Let me turn off my light, my ring light, and turn this on so that you can see how it looks like. Yeah, see it. I know we can change the color. I'll probably do the changing in another video. Okay, let me go ahead on my own ring light. And then after the power switch, we have mode of selection, guys. Sorry, this is our mode of selection here. And after this mode of selection, we have our adjustment button. Our adjustment button, which is here, you can see it's up, okay, and down. So our adjustment button. And then after the adjustment button, we also have the light effects button, okay, and the light effect button can be located here, effects, okay. And then after the light effect button, we have our display, guys. This is our display, okay. So that's like 11 parts of our lights. So when you want to turn it off, you turn it on like this. You can see how it looks. Then go ahead, so you can reduce it like this. I'll do a review video on this, okay, so don't worry.
So let's quickly go ahead to charge this for the first time. So the first thing you need to do is to bring out your cable and then plug it. And you're going to see the charging battery, and it's going to be blinking. When it's full, you see that it's not going to blink more than that.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and turn on the notification button. I'll see you, amazing people, in my next video, okay. Thank you for sticking around in this video. Bye, guys.